Beneath the bright blue skies of cleaner cities lies a hidden danger. As the world wins the fight against dirty air, scientists warn we may be losing time in the battle against climate change. Cutting pollution has saved millions of lives, but it's also quietly unleashing more heat into an already warming planet, setting the stage to a climate shock few are prepared to face. For decades, global efforts to reduce air pollution, from closing coal-fired power stations to cutting sulfur in shipping fuels, have prevented countless deaths from respiratory disease and heart failure. But here is the twist. Those same pollutants that choke our lungs also reflect sunlight, creating a cooling effect. Their removal has unleashed a hidden surge of warming that is now reshaping weather patterns across the globe. Climate scientists call this termination of shock, a scenario where efforts to artificially cool the planet suddenly stop. Imagine the year 2050. Instead of cutting emissions, the world sprays refractive particles into the stratosphere to block sunlight. It works until it doesn't. A pandemic, a war, or a financial collapse halts the operation. The protective haze disappears, and years of trapped greenhouse gases send global temperatures soaring almost overnight. The impacts are already visible: more intense heat waves, erratic rainfall, and stronger storms. As air gets cleaner, the underlying climate crisis accelerates and societies struggle to keep up. The lesson is clear. Removing pollution is not enough. Only cutting greenhouse gas emissions can stabilize the climate. Experts urge governments to double down on renewable energy, carbon capture, and global climate agreements to prevent a runaway future. Return to blue sky over a quiet city, slowly fading into a time-lapse of rising global temperatures on a digital map. The air we breathe is cleaner than it has been in generations, but the heat we feel is warming. The race isn't just to clean the air, it's to cool the planet before the next shock arrives. For Science Television Network, I am Angela Najjuka.